countries, which became a driving force for the Second World War. Which ship started? Dictatorship started. In some of the countries, and due to this, what happened? Second World War started. Got it? Okay. In that, first is some events in respect to this topic. First is fascism in Italy. First is fascism in Italy. What is fascism? Fascism is a political system in which the government control business, labor and opposition is not permitted. So who will be controlling? Dictatorship will be controlling which part? What? Which part they will be controlling? Just now only I spoke. Yes, business and labor, both the things will be controlled by whom? That is dictatorship. And then opposition is not permitted. So labor, and what is the next? Business. Yes. So for this thing, dictatorship will be controlling. But now no opposition. They don't have to oppose it. No opposition will be done by them. Clear? Okay, it means the word fascism has evolved from Italian word fascis, which means absolute control of the state on everything. Fascism is the word which is controlled by dictatorship, but what it is an Italian word. Okay, then third thing, it means absolute control over the state, means everything will be controlled by dictatorship. Okay, no opposition. Okay, absolute control of the state will be done by fascism, and it is the Italian word. Clear? Mussolini established fascism in Italy. Where it is established? Italy. Okay. So understood what is the meaning of fascism? Okay. So at the end of First World War, Italy incurred a massive expenditure. How much? Massive expenditure. How much billion dollars? That is $12 billion, and lost 6 lakh soldiers. So how many? $12 billion. And 6 lakh soldiers were lost. Okay, so that's why what happening, in spite of the huge loss and contribution that Italy given in the war, the other winning nation took over the territories of their choice and ignored Italy. So what happened? Those were the winning nations have taken their choice, okay, but others have ignored Italy. The winning nations have ignored Italy. Got it? Got it? Now what happens next? As a result, Italy got angry and frustrated. Okay? Italians felt very hurt and their nationalistic feelings were shaken. But obvious, if you are ignoring someone, then that person either he or she will be silent, either angry or frustrated. So they held their government responsible for not getting anything at the end of the war in spite of losing so much money and soldiers. And they became angered to take revenge about this national humiliation. Okay? So as at last they are losing the $12 billion and 6 lakh soldiers, then also they are not getting anything. The government is not responsible. So what happened? Now they want to take the revenge. So in order to free Italy from such a desperate situation, Benito Mussolini established the fascist party in Italy. Which party? Fascist party. He had up a bundle of sticks and eggs. Which bundle was adapted? Sticks and acts. Who has first taken, that is Mussolini in Italy. Okay, Italy. Which was, it is the name of the place in Italy. Okay, in fact, a symbol of supremacy of the Roman emperors as the symbol of his party. This was the symbol. Say, sticks and eggs was the symbol of which, that is supremacy of the Roman emperor as the symbol of the party, that is fascism. Next, the fascism has evolved from the word Italian word fascist. Which word? Fascist. Italian word fascist. This was the symbol. Okay, why this Italian people have started fascism? Because as they have lost $12 billion and 6 lakh soldiers, but the party, the nations, those who were winners, have taken other good nations, but Italy was ignored. That's why they want to take the revenge. So Mussolini has started the fascism, means the party, and its symbol was sticks and X. Got it? Bundle of sticks and X, which means absolute control of the state on everything. Fascist means what? Absolute control of the state on everything related to any of the things. Who will be controlling? Fascism, that is dictator. Mussolini. Oi! Mussolini followed the principle of one party, one leader. Only one party will be ruling and one only ruler will be there for all the state. Got it? He gave military training to his party volunteers. The volunteers wear black uniform. Which uniform? Black uniform. The meaning of Mussolini followed the principle, that is one party, one ruler. Only black uniform military training was given. After coming to power, Mussolini captured Rhodes island from Turkey. Which? Rhodes and Dodecanese island from Turkey, and won Albania, Abyssinia and Fiume port in 1924. Which? Albania and Fiume port. This you have to remember for MCQ only. After this victories, Mussolini broke all the ties with the League of Nations. Now all the ties were broken by whom? League of Nations. It then signed a combined treaty with Germany and Tokyo. This treaty was a military alliance between the three countries, and it is called Tripartite Pact, or say Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. So this is a combined name related to whom? That is Tokyo and Germany. They have signed a combined treaty which is known as Tripartite Pact, or we can say it Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. Okay. Rome is the capital of Italy, Berlin of Germany and Tokyo of Japan, and this way the major nations were responsible for the Second World War. Clear? Clear fascism, as Italy was in huge massive loss. They have lost their $12 billion and 6 lakh soldiers. Then also the winner nations were not responsible. That's why Mussolini started one party, one rule. Yes, that is fascist. It is an Italian word which means all the states will be responsible by only one person. The symbol was a bundle of stick and axe, okay, of Roman emperor. Yes, and then after the volunteer, they were given a military training, and their uniform was black in color. And then after they have started, Mussolini captured Rhodes and Dodecanese island of Turkey, and then also won in 1924, that is Albania, Abyssinia and Fiume port. And Mussolini broke all the League of Nations. Then they have started a combined treaty, that is Tripartite Pact, or we can say it Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. Rome is the capital of Italy, Berlin of Germany and Tokyo of Japan. And this way they were responsible for Second World War. Clear? Clear? Anything? Any doubt? Okay. Asad Raza, stand up. Next is Nazism. Okay, second is Nazism. It is in Germany. It is in Germany. As now Germany also lost the First World War, we have learned chapter number 2, last topic. In that, in Russian Revolution, Germany has to give so much to, as it lost, so he has to give so much to other countries. So it, yes, so it was economically ruined. To add to it, the Paris Peace process forced Germany to sign the Treaty of Versailles. Yes, we have studied Versailles Treaty. Yes, this ruined Germany further. It was due to this Germany was also angry with unjust treaty. So in 1919, Adolf Hitler joined. Who joined? 1919, Adolf Hitler joined. Okay, to Germany and joined the Nationalist Socialist German Workers' Party. Which party? National Social German Party. Okay, this party came to be known as Nazi Party. Which party? Nazi Party. So, which party is known as Nazi Party? That is National Socialist Germany Workers' Party, and it was started in 1990 by Adolf Hitler. By who? That is Adolf Hitler. When German President Hindenburg died, Hitler assumed the post and established his dictatorial rule. He started his dictatorial rule. After whom? President of German. Who is that? Hindenburg. Hindenburg. So Adolf Hitler started his ruling. Okay. He adopted very severe and aggressive policies and led German towards narrow nationalism. Okay. German consider Hitler as their Führer. Fuhrer. It means savior. So king. Okay. Savior. Nazi soldiers wore blue military. Okay. And fascism during Nazism blue. Okay. Blue military uniform and tied a red strip on their soldiers. They also wore a symbol of swastika. Which symbol was worn? Swastika. Over here it was a bundle of X and sticks. He aimed at making Germany as a superpower in the world. Okay, Hitler made policies to massacre Jews, gypsies, and mentally challenged people on the name of purifying German race. Okay, so which were the policies? Massacre Jews. It is then gypsies means that is one type of van that you know, and mentally challenged people. Those who are mentally upset, they have to change their mind also. Okay, and on the name of purifying German, the Nazi party killed several lakhs European Jews by the end of the Second World War. So how many? Who was killed? European Jews were killed. This event is in history is known as Holocaust. What it is known as? Holocaust. That means genocide. Okay, from under it means you have studied genes and science. From that this word came, that is genocide. Hitler's policy of expansion and militarism against American countries and the policy of killing certain groups led to the Second World War and became an important reason for the same. So got it? Why Second World War? First Italy has started. Now Germany was in huge loss. So he has to sign a treaty, that is Versailles Treaty, compulsory in 1990. That's why in 1990 Adolf Hitler has started his after the president of Hindenburg, he has started ruling as a dictatorship. Okay, and he was known as Führer. That means savior. Okay, and Nazi soldiers were wearing blue military and red, and its symbol was swastika. Okay, and he has started his authority and militarist. Its main aim was that Germany will be superpower making in the world. Okay, he has started policy that is free, master Jews, gypsy, and mentally challenged people On the name of hmm? It's the exterminating Jews.
Exterminating Jews
It means
to kill
massive. Yes.
and mentally challenged people.
And that's why this event was known as Holocaust genocide. And expansion of militarism and expansion started for killing certain groups. That's why it led to Second World War. Or stand up. Explain me Nazism. From where this word came.
and he has started that historian world. Then his army's uniform was blue. Then he had a tie on right shoulder. Then he had worked as a civil.
He was known as the savior of the Germans.
The savior of German, and he has started National Social Germany and Workers' Party.
That's why it is known as Nazi Party. Who has started in 1919? Adolf Hitler has started after the death of President of German, that is Hindenburg. Very good. Sick. Okay, clear Nazism. Okay, so we will today stop till here. Okay, from next Monday we will be starting with third and fourth topic. So again, next thing, your homework, lesson 2, lesson 8, compulsory you have to complete it by Monday. Third thing, test which you have given will be writing for 5 times. Inform your friends also, those who are not present, those who were not present offline also, they have to write it for 5 times. Okay? Okay, got it?
Yeah.
And those who are not submitting that test, writing by 5 times,